I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi S4 single pulley vs dual pulley full comparison. Start by checking your current pulley setup and tools, then follow my stepwise comparison of performance, spool, and longevity. I will explain real-world driving differences, expected maintenance intervals, and how throttle response changes. Stay tuned for clear examples and practical tips so you can decide which pulley choice fits your driving needs and budget. Warm up the engine gently, then test acceleration from a consistent start to compare spool and boost build between the two setups. I will describe throttle feel, peak power behavior, and how gear changes influence perceived performance. Listen for spool timing and note any turbo flutter or lag. These practical observations will help you understand if the trade-offs favor street comfort or track-focused responsiveness, and which setup matches your driving style. If you're finding this comparison useful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals. I mention it because comfortable socks make long wrenching sessions better and they pair nicely with garage work. Now let's get back to the video. Plan routine checks of belts, bearings, and boost, plumbing regardless of pulley choice to avoid surprises. I will outline common failure points, typical service intervals, and signs that a pulley needs replacement or adjustment. Expect different labor times and parts lists based on single versus dual setups, and keep records of any tuning changes. These steps will reduce downtime and help you budget realistically for ownership costs over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.